I had no idea that this would grow like this. I cannot thank you all enough. I'm actually counting down. Well, counting up. We're almost at 10,000 subscribers. What? 9,999. Get out. We just need one more. I may be sitting here for a while, but I'd love to share this with all of you. I just can't believe it. It is so exciting. I had no idea that you all would enjoy the content so much, and I'm just so excited to be able to help all of you learn more and experience more with your amazing Lexus vehicles. Yay! Are we gonna sit here at 9,999 like forever? It's crazy. What? 10,000 subscribers! Are you kidding me? Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you! This is so awesome. You guys are amazing. Thank you all so much for being on this journey with me. Stay tuned. There's more to come.